India has emerged as the leading country in issuing internationally recognized certificates of compliance under the Nagoya Protocol on access and benefit sharing, accounting for more than half of the certificates issued globally, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change said on Tuesday. According to the latest data available on the ABS clearinghouse, India has issued 3,561 IRCCs out of the total of 6,311, that is over 56%, placing it well ahead of other countries in implementing the protocol. The Nagoya Protocol requires countries granting access to genetic resource and associated traditional knowledge to issue IRCCs as proof that prior informed consent has been obtained and mutually agreed terms have been established between user and provider. These certificates are then recorded on the ABS clearinghouse, a global platform aimed at ensuring transparency. Officials said IRCCs plays a key role in tracking the use of genetic resources from research and innovation to commercial application and ensuring that benefits are shared fairly between the provider countries. Your report News Now.